Now that we're done with the fade, we can move on to the front line and separate his baby hairs from the hair that we don't want to cut. Now that we're done combing everything down, we could go ahead and debulk them with the one guard all the way closed. Now that we have a nice and clean canvas, we can move on to our gold FX and start off in the middle and work our way to the sides. You always want to make sure you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to shift and then you won't line them up properly. When I line up my C-cups, I always start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch using the corners of the blade. Now we're working our way to the next side, and we're going to also follow the same steps and go as slow as possible. As you guys can see, I'm using the corner of the blade and the C-cup is coming out nice and crispy. Now we're going to knock the beard down to a one guard all the way open and make sure everything's nice and even. Now I'm going to use the gold FX to line up the back of the beard and also the neck of the beard. When lining up the neck area, you want to make sure not to press too hard and be gentle here, because you could cut them and the skin is very thin here. Now that we're done lining up the beard, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. We also want to apply some shave gel so that the razor can glide better. When using the razor, you want to keep it at a 45-degree angle and stretch the skin as much as possible with your opposite hand. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone. Don't forget to stretch the skin, it's very important. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to support the channel, go ahead and leave your super thanks down below or follow the Instagram. We're also using the one blade, which is equivalent to our one blade all the way closed. Now that we're done running over the top, we're gonna make sure we apply some oil sheen just so that we can take away the dryness. Now that we're done detailing the fade, we can move on to our Gold FX and begin to line him up. I always like starting off at the middle and working my way to the sides, especially when I'm using my Gold FX due to the longer blade. You always want to make sure you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair's going to shift and you won't line them up properly. So definitely pay attention to that. Always make sure to take your time near the lining. This is a very important part. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Durban premium blades, we're gonna make them as crispy as possible. But before we do that, we're gonna apply some shave gel so that the razor could glide better. Now that we got the razor and the blade, we're going to stretch the skin as much as possible with the opposite hand and keep the razor at a 45-degree angle. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show the channel some extra support, go ahead and leave a super thanks down below or go ahead and follow my Instagram. Thank you.